Hi, it's Ant-Man. Can you do me a favor? No? Well, I'm not giving you the option. This is what I want you to do. Down in the description bar is a link. I want you to click on that link and click on thumbs up for my friend Eric. Go on, I'll wait. Thank you. Now what I want you to do is I want you to click on the F for Facebook. You'll see it right next to the thumbs up button. Share this on your Facebook walls right now. Go ahead, I'll wait. Are you doing it? Good. Thank you. And if you don't do it, I'll find you and you don't even know what I want to do to you. If I find you and you don't do it, it's going to be some problems.